Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, autonomous braking, leather trim seats, traction control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, power brakes, trip odometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. We're here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.